Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're recording a little behind the scenes. Today is prep day. Today's Friday, so we're prepping our batch process. So we're trying to find 100 items to find and photograph tomorrow. Tomorrow's photo day. We're trying to do 100. We listed 93 items last week. As you can see, last Saturday we did 10, then 20 throughout the week. Yesterday we did 13. We are not listing today. Today's the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, people. And tomorrow's photo day. So as you can see, we're going through our, I guess you could call it death pile. You know?
I wouldn't say so.
I wouldn't say it's death pile.
We go through this and say we don't want to list it. We haven't gone through this.
Yeah, so right now we're just trying to find enough product for tomorrow. This is the first bag that's complete. We put 10 in the bag, 10 items. These are all shorts, mostly Wranglers, and this nice Corona short. This is a pair of swim shorts. Corona. It's nice. So that's our first batch. That's our first 10. So we try to get 10 bags of 10. This is the next pile that's almost done. It's a pair of, what is it called? Jeans? These are jeans?
Yeah, jeans.
We somewhat try to put them in order of brand if we can, if there's enough of them. If there's enough of the same brand. If not, we just have maybe women's jeans if we have enough women's jeans. But we just keep jeans and pants separate. So right now we're working on our jeans pile.
We're doing it by category. So I have mostly skirts in here, but I'm also doing a few lace tops. We have this nice Coca-Cola top.
That's a nice Coca-Cola.
Yeah, really cool.
So she's working on mostly of the ladies' items since she thrifts most of the ladies' items.
And we kind of pre-sorted this. Like when we go thrifting, we throw things in different categories. So this is all my women's tops that I haven't looked at yet. So I'm just checking them out.
Men's tops.
And he's doing men's tops. I have dresses over there.
Got some dresses.
There's some coats down there.
That big old thing over there is our, what is it, donation bin?
Donation dump. Yeah.
Donation or dump. These are items that are no good after they come home. You know, a little section where we keep our hard goods right there. And this section is, as you can see, is pretty empty. Is where we keep our items after they're done being photoed. As you can see, we got some old hats. These hats are not that great. Some of them are good. They might go up. They might never go up.
I would call that a death pile right there.
That's might be the death pile.
Because you will not do that, and I'm not doing it. So that's
these hats are kind of on the whack side. I mean, all the good hats are gone. I mean, I listed all the good stuff, but some of this stuff is like what the hell is this? You know? Like, I still might list it because I'm a hoarder and I don't throw stuff away. But I might not. But for the most part, we're pretty much done. We ain't got enough items. So that's all we're doing today. Probably takes us about an hour.
Yeah, it depends on what the items are. Like right now I have this button-up shirt. This takes a little time versus a skirt that I just check for stains and take the thrift store tags off. So
we button up the shirts, so we take off the tags.
If they need to be taken off.
If they need to be taken off, and if they need to be steamed, we steam them.
Yeah, look, I have a dress over here that I wanted to do, but it definitely needs a steam. Look how wrinkled it is. It's INC. I like this brand. I like this dress, but it just needs a steam before I do anything with it. So I gotta wait. It's in my weight pile.
So that's what we're doing right now.
Alright, so we found this military jacket at Salvation Army, and if you shop at Salvation Army, you're going to notice that they staple their tags onto the fabric, and that's easily damaged. So to avoid ruining even more, we use a staple remover. Okay, so a little just like this, and try to lift it up a little bit, and then you just slide it off without making any more extra holes or rips. Okay, which can be tough because they do a really good job of stapling that, and just toss that out. So again, we found this at Salvation Army, and we spotted it because of things like this. People love patches, and this is actually from the US, was it Air Force? Somebody donated this after they ripped their name tag off, okay? But other people may like this, so we like to grab these and list them online as well. We got actually 2 of these, right? So the same person must have had 2 and they donated both of them.
Okay, so now we're doing our... Yeah, could you do this one also?
Oh, yeah.
Right now, we got 40 items done, 10 in each bag. So right now, we're currently doing shirts and sweaters. Since the winter is pretty much over, we're trying to get those out as quickly as possible. So right now, as you can see, we're still up in the dungeon, trying to get this prepping done. Alright, so we're pretty much done. I think it took us only about maybe 40 minutes. It didn't even take us an hour. So we have our piles of 10. We have 90. Instead of 100, we're doing 90 because we have a few stragglers from last week that we have about 10 items in here. This section right here that wasn't photographed, that wasn't listed last week. So we got 99 bags of 10 all right here, good to go for tomorrow. So tomorrow is gonna be a very busy day, waking up really early and taking all the photos, and I'll be doing some listing tomorrow. I try to list about 20 tomorrow, maybe actually 25. I'm gonna go for 25. So I have to list, I gotta take like 100 photos and list 25 items tomorrow, Saturday. So that's my plan. All right. What else? That's it. That's behind the scenes, backstage, in the Terror Dome, in the tower. See you guys.